Hello, and it's Martin Cooper here from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 2-balloon seahorse. Now, I think this is a really cool looking design. It's a lot easier to make than it actually looks, and I just think it's super cool. So let's get started. So you need two 260s, and you want to choose colours that complement each other. So I'm using a sort of peachy yellow. I'm going to use a sort of lime green. So I'm going to do my head and my body and possibly my tail first of all with the sort of peachy yellow, and I'm going to inflate it about 2/3 the way full, leaving about 6 fingers uninflated at the end. Leave that little bit of air out, tie a knot, give it a stretch and a squeeze. That's how much you should have about at the end, uninflated. Now I start where I've made the knot, and I'm going to make a really small 1-finger bubble. I'm going to take the excess and do a pinch twist. I'm going to make a slightly bigger 1-finger bubble, like that. I'm going to pinch twist this. So there I have the mouth of my seahorse. Get another stretch and squeeze, a 3-finger bubble. And I'm going to follow it with 2 4-finger bubbles. I'm going to give it a really good squeeze and keep this part of the balloon, these bubbles nice and soft. That's what you should have. Take this twist here and twist it into here. Another stretch and squeeze, and I'm going to make another 4-finger bubble balloon. And I'm going to squeeze it through here. So I'm just going to work this, keep it nice and soft. I'm going to push that through that gap here. There we go, we've got, you can see the head of the seahorse taking shape. Do a small 1-finger bubble. I'm going to pinch twist this. And that makes sure that the head stays 90 degrees. It's not sort of pointing up towards the ceiling. Got another squeeze and stretch. 3-finger bubble. Now I'm going to make 2 4-finger bubbles. I'm going to just give this a really good squeeze and stretch. I'm going to keep the balloon as soft as possible. Make another 4-finger bubble. And I'm going to take that twist and twist it into here. Squeeze and stretch. I'm going to make another 4-finger bubble and do the same as what I did for this part of the seahorse's head. So I'm just going to work this a little bit and then push it through. Now you see sometimes you lose the air. What you can do is you can squeeze the air from here into the bubble that you're trying to push through. And you can see that it's pretty good to go. Now, I've got quite a nice length here for the toe, so take about 3 fingers, and I'm just going to squeeze this end, work it with my fingers, let the heat of my fingers just soften the latex just a little bit. do a sort of U shape, and you can see you get that sort of seahorse shape to the tail. So we're nearly there. We need some eyes which are going to sit at the back of the seahorse's head, and the sort of bauble design that runs down the back of the seahorse. So I'm just going to put this to one side. So I'm going to take my lime green 260 and inflate about just over halfway. Get a little bit of air out, keep the balloon nice and soft. Give it a stretch and a squeeze. I'm going to take my first part of the design, and I need some eyes here. So I'm going to take the knot and twist it round the punch twist here. And I want it sort of sticking up here because I'm going to do the eyes now. So I'm going to do two finger bubbles, and I'm going to twist them together for the eyes and position them at the back of the seahorse's head. And just take them down and twist. And there we go, we've got the eyes just peering over the back of the seahorse's head. And now all I'm going to do is give the balloon a good squeeze and stretch. I'm going to do a series of one finger bubbles. About the same size, and I'm just going to go down the back of the seahorse. Now I'm going to take the last bubble that I've just done there, just there, here, and I'm going to twist it into here. Now you can see I've sort of lost the shape of the seahorse, so I'm going to do a pinch twist here. I'm going to take this bubble and just twist it into here, just the once, and you see how the pinch twist that I did there, it straightened up the body of the seahorse now. So I could use this for a longer tail, or I could just leave the yellow bit. I'm just going to leave the yellow bit because I'm quite happy with the size and I've got a nice shape there. So I'm just going to make a twist here. I'm going to pop it off. Let the air out nice and slowly. And now I'm going to tie a knot in it. I'm going to wrap some of the excess round here, and I'm just going to get a pair of scissors and cut just above the knot. And there we have an absolutely fabulous two balloon seahorse. Straighten everything up, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a marker and just literally put a circle on each of these for the eyes. And there we go, we have got a fabulous looking 2-balloon seahorse. So if you've enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Subscribe to me or follow me on Twitter, please, that would be a big help. I know everybody, when you watch YouTube videos, people say subscribe and share, but it makes a huge difference. And thank you for watching this video, and until next time, this is goodbye from Martin Circus Skills Workshops.